In the world of digital currency, stability is often elusive. Today, we've witnessed a significant downturn in cryptocurrency prices, raising questions and concerns among investors. First, let's consider the global economic climate. The long-term pandemic and the ongoing war in Ukraine have spurred a worldwide economic downturn. With inflation on the rise and living standards falling, investors grow cautious, limiting funds available for cryptocurrency investments. Recent moves by major players in the crypto world have added to the turmoil. Celsius's decision to freeze customer assets, along with mass layoffs at Coinbase, Gemini, and BlockFi, reflects the growing instability in the crypto market. Technical hiccups have also played a role. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, temporarily halted Bitcoin transactions due to a glitch, fueling further price declines. And then there's the domino effect. A dip in one cryptocurrency often triggers a market-wide slump. Ethereum, for instance, also experienced a sharp decrease in value. While cryptocurrency is known for its volatility, these swift changes serve as a reminder. Investors should remain vigilant and well-informed. The crypto market is unpredictable and caution is key. Remember, up-to-date information is your best tool in investing. Don't miss out on important news and analysis in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Subscribe to our channel, register on our website, and stay updated with the latest events in the industry. Your knowledge is your advantage.